How should you train to boost your VO2 max? We have seen in previous videos that VO2 max is the maximum oxygen consumption, along with many other factors that can affect it. That if you haven't seen, I will leave the video right here. But now, what is the most adequate type of training to improve VO2 max? First, we need to remember that the name tells us oxygen consumption, which means that it's highly involved in aerobic system. Even if we can get adaptation from resistance training, the most adequate will always be some sort of cardio exercise, like running, cycling, or rowing. It is also very important to consider the training level that the person possesses. If you're a person that is constantly training with years of experience, you might need a higher stimulus than someone that is just starting to train. But in regards to exercise differences, studies have shown that the most important is the intensity of the exercise. Like in this 2023 meta-analysis that compare HIIT and conventional training methods that include continuous training, repeated sprint training, high volume, low intensity training, high intensity continuous training, sprint interval training, and moderate intensity continuous training, which was done in elite athletes. Similar to this, another study of 2023 compared aerobic high intensity intervals with sprint training in well-trained men, in which they concluded that high intensity interval training or HIIT is the most adequate to get results. And even in well-trained people, you get improvement from this training. But also, before starting with any HIIT training, I would recommend you to have a solid zone 2 aerobic adaptation to avoid as much issues and get the most out of this training. I highly appreciate your interest in science. Please remember to subscribe so you can be notified about the interesting topics we discuss in these videos. Thank you so much for your time and attention, and I will look forward to see you soon.